Hello, dear friend. If you want to learn color grading in DaVinci Resolve, you are at the right place. Today, we will learn how to color grade in DaVinci Resolve from basic. If you are beginners, this video will help you a lot, dear friend. In this tutorial, I will touch all the points for beginners and here you see I have taken a video from my tutorial class. You can also take any video, and along with me you can apply this color grading. You can take your video, you can download from Pixabay or somewhere. So dear friend, this is the now we are inside DaVinci Resolve. Here in the editing tab, you know, DaVinci Resolve has been divided into seven tabs here. This is the media pool where we arrange all type of media. Here this is a cut tab where we cut the all bad parts of our video, and this is the main editing tab. This is a fusion where we will do same in the After Effect. You do all type of fusions, compositions we do here, compositings we will do here, and here we come to this point. Here you see this is actually our color gradings. Once you open this color gradings tab, here you will find several windows inside color grading, because DaVinci Resolve is the king at color grading, you know. So in one class we can't cover all the base, but most of the important things in this class we will cover, which you need every day. So dear friend, we come here, you see this actually this here, this is our color slice which has been added in DaVinci Resolve 19 here. This is a curve here, and here you see actually we will not touch this point now. Here we will come to here. We don't need this, we need actually this, you see HDR and this main color wheels. This is the primary color wheels, dear friend. Actually we will use all these points. Most of times we need this color wheels. This is the HDR, this is the global, dark, shadow, light, you see global here, and this is a RGB mixers. We will learn in the next class motion effects. This for our advanced lessons here, and we come to our this primary colors wheels. Most of people use this. So once we come here, you see here main window, this is my video from our last class, and here this is the first, this is actually node, this is not fusion node, this is actually the normal node for color grading. So I want to add one more node, two node. You have to click alt s, alt s, alt s. So we have two nodes, you see, one two three nodes, we have added two nodes. Here we click here and just right click on your mouse, and you come here, you see here node color space. In color space you have to come to rec 709. You have to search, you see rec 709, because I have this video from my mobile. So for mobile video we use rec 709. We'll just click here. Now we come to second color grade. Here we will do the basic color grading. Here some things, if something remains after color grading, we will do here. Actually you can do color grading here, apply color grading here in any tabs, no problem. We come here. Now first we come here, you see this is the temperatures, tint, contrast, pivot, mid-tones. First you will find here on side here color boost, shadow, highlight, saturations, hue, luma mix. Actually this is the main, and this is the this lift, gamma, gain, offset. These are the point we will add. We will try and touch this point, and we will make a beautiful color grading here. Now first before color applying color grading, you have to analyze your video, what's not enough for your video. So my video is some little bit dark. I want to give this some fascinating tone, more attractive to the eyes. I want to add redness, some things. First we come here, temperature we will add. You see this is the 0 point here. Here add like this. When you want to return to basic, you have to just click here, you see it will return to basic actually. So I will add not too much, this is 0. You can in this way, left side it will be less, right side it will be more. So I will, you see it is decreasing, but I don't need minus 20. We have to increase, you 10. Actually 10, this 10 is okay. And I will increase the tint. Actually tint is actually the middle tone here, and it will boost color some things here. So I will just more, it's okay. One is okay tint. We have added tints, you can try like this, but always uh, I always search something one, it's okay, not too much. A contrast, we have to add contrast. If you add too much, it will be not so beautiful. So it's okay, contrast is not, I will 10. In this way, try 4. Okay, 6 is okay. 4 is okay. I have added little bit contrast, not too much. Pivot, this position we will not touch too much. We touch actually mid-tone here. I will come here and we'll take this mid-tone. You see, 1.2 is okay. Less than, if you make big, if you make more bigger, it will be not good. You see here, 1 and 2, 1.50 is okay. This is actually the mid tone here. Now we come here to our lift. We will lift the position here. You see here, you have to not lift too much. Lift one. Okay, we have, you see, we have lifted the color here. We'll lift one only. A gamma we will in the same way. We will lift one. If you increase too much, it will disfigure the color. You know, color. The main purpose of color grading is make your beautiful clips attractive to the audiences. So one, it is okay. Again we will increase little bit, not too much. Okay, okay, 3 is okay. Again, and offset we will not touch offset. Here we'll come to color boost. In color boost, actually we will add 5 6. Okay, 4 2 3 5. Okay, 6 is okay. Color boost, actually it boosts the colors. In every colors it boosts some things. It makes more colorful now. So after, you see, only we touch this point, and we see color here. If you want to see difference, you have to come here. You see here, you see, before color grading, this actually after color grading. Touch here, click on, you see after. This is before. Actually, you see my video is like something dark, and it's not appealing. But when we click after color grading, you see something redness, more warm tones, which is more pleasant to the eyes, human eyes. And we come to shadow. Dear friend, if this class is helpful to you, please subscribe the channels. Nowadays I'm working hard, but I don't see subscriptions and like comment. It disappoints me a lot, dear friend. For growing on YouTube and spreading this video to the wider audience on YouTube, and to the algorithm of YouTube, it's very necessary to like, comment, share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial, dear friend. I have a lot of playlist. You can go there, see lots of tutorials are available, dear friend. Write me in the comment box. Please subscribe. So we come here. So we have added color boost. Actually here now we can add shadow. Actually some shadow part will be more lighter after this. So we will come here and add shadow around 25 26. It's okay, it's not too, it's okay. No, we have added shadow and highlight. We can add 2 point. Okay, actually this is the main saturation and hue. It will add more colors to our clips. Actually we know it's a 50 is default. You see here 50 is default, and we come here and we will add little bit. Okay, 51.20 is okay for me. Actually, this depend upon your choice, and you have to try on your clips. And otherwise, you see my how I change. I don't change too much. So you see after changing the hue 51.20, saturation 51.20 we have added, and luminance we can decrease if it's more lighter. You see it's 100, and if you will come to the left side, it will be colorful. So okay, so luminance we have decreased little bit. No, we see after. You see, this is actually our before color grading. You see after color grading, what's the difference, dear friend? There are lots of differences in the video. Now we play here. You looking for a office shoot, the free office shoot, the best alternative of Microsoft. In this video, we will talk about the 5 best free alternatives of Microsoft MS Office, the very costly MS Office. You see, this after color grading and before color grading, we know click. You see, we unclick color grading here, and from here you can unclick and click. And if you have proxy, you can prefer camera original, it will be camera original. And when you have proxy, you can use proxy. But for color grading, during color grading, you have to switch a proxy and click prefer camera original. Now we play this. This video will save you your money, a lot of money, dear friend. You see before color grading and after color grading, you see difference. Listen this video till the end. So now we have actually this is the first for our color space. Here we have added this all the primary wheels. Now we come here. If you want to decrease increase redness, because our clip is perfect, I don't want to change anything, but for you I want to show you one very important things. We come here, you see here actually this is the actually color warper. You can change any color if you want. For example, I want to give this redness here. We will come here. You see, we'll just click here. You see here. And now it has selected actually. We are doing this color grading here in three, node three actually. We come here and directly you can increase little bit redness, or you can add anything you can add. You see redness more. You can add other colors. You can make it lighter. Some things from here you can do. You see redness. I am increasing redness. It's in this way. Too much is not good. Okay, we can do like this here. You see, it will be lighter now. From here, you can change the warper. From here, you see warper. Okay, I think it's okay. Now you see, okay, this is before and after color grading. Actually, I didn't want to add this, but for you, for some, I just show you. You can use after when you are not satisfied with this. If you want to change the color of your face, you can do from here directly. So we can adjust little bit, not too much. Okay. So we have added color warper. Actually, this is our main basic color gradings. From here, you can do the lots in DaVinci Resolve. In the next class, we will learn about this dark shadow light global color, how we can use this. And here we have this color slice, and we can apply this. But we have achieved the result only using this main primary colors here. Primary wheels we have through primary wheels we have achieved, and we added warper to our color warper to our clips. And after this you can see the difference, dear friend. This is actually the difference. So if you work in DaVinci Resolve, we will talk on this huge color gradings. There is no competitions in the market for DaVinci Resolve color gradings, dear friend. Share this channel to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorials. Write in the comment box, dear friends, so which type of tutorial about color grading do you want. And don't forget to subscribe. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.